Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I am here with Jessica from Augusta, Georgia, and today we're going to talk about, we got a gentleman that's got a downspout issue that caused some water intrusion into the crawl space, and he's wondering how concerned should he be about that. Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, and indoor air quality. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, check out our DIY store and our franchise opportunities. All right, Jessica. So we've done videos together before. I'm gonna put a link to that video down below. Those last year, right?
Yep,
yeah?
last year.
So we having a training here in Knoxville, and I'm glad you were able to come out and talk to us today. And this is from Travis in Orient, Ohio. I am looking to encapsulate my crawl space. I am unsure if I need to install a sump pump. I have no standing water except for one area which is directly below a gutter joint that is leaking. The amount of water is very minimal. After fixing the gutter, it should be dry. Do I still need to add a sump pump and drain tile? What do you think?
Definitely. The first thing you need to do is, of course, address the water issues from the outside. But the gutters, they create hydrostatic pressure tunnels. So those tunnels are always going to be there, and water finds its least path of resistance. So with that, you know, the hydrostatic pressure tunnels, they're in place. So it may be dry right now, but in 5 years from now, after you done spent $20,000 on an encapsulation, without that water management system and a sub pump, you have good chances of water coming into the crawl space still.
That's right. That's right. So that corner where the downspout has been corrected, where that joint is, what you're trying to say is those water tunnels already exist. And if that downspout backs up again, or that joint becomes in need of repair again, that water is just going to have an easier time getting into the crawl space, okay? And of course that downspout is only addressing the roof water. The rain still falls around the corner of that house where those tunnels are that you're talking about. So if you get some kind of thunderstorm or something like that, and the downspouts or the yard drainage isn't able to handle it, the path of least resistance is right inside of the crawl space.
That's exactly right.
Right? And I know a lot of people would disagree with that, but remember, what we're trying to do here is a worry-free crawl space, okay? So we don't want you to have to take out all the vapor barrier and do all of that stuff 3 to 5 years from now whenever it starts to flood again. We want to go ahead and prevent it. If it does start to flood, we got that system in place, because there's nothing worse than yanking out that beautiful plastic and then having to dig
And redo it.
and redo all that all over again. So from our standpoint, we would recommend you put in a water management system, right?
That's exactly right.
All right. Well, Jessica, I appreciate you being here on Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.